a robot breeder. Copyright 1987, Hilton Android Corporation, all rights reserved. P.O. Box 7437, Huntington Beach, California. 92615, 7437, 714, 960, 3984. Little Red Hen. Produced by Joseph J. Hilton. Adaptation and illustration by Ian Wright. Once upon a time a duck and a pig and a mouse and a little red hen all lived in a tiny house. The duck liked to swim in the pond in front of the house all day. The pig liked to sit in the mud puddle behind the house all day. The mouse liked to sleep on the rug in front of the fireplace all day. So the little red hen had to do all the work. One day when she was working in the garden, the little red hen found some grains of wheat.
Who will plant this wheat?
Cried the little red hen.
Not I,
Said the pig.
not I,
Said the duck.
not I,
Said the mouse.
then I will do it.
Said the little red hen. And so she did. Soon the wheat began to grow. The little red hen asked,
Who will water this wheat? Not I,
said the duck.
not I,
Said the pig.
not I,
Said the mouse.
then I will do it.
Said the little red hen. And so she did. When the wheat was ripe, the little red hen cried,
Who will cut this wheat? Not I,
said the duck.
not I,
Said the mouse.
not I,
Said the pig.
then I will do it.
Said the little red hen. And so she did. After she cut the wheat, the little red hen asked,
Who will take this wheat to the mill to be ground into flour? Not I,
said the mouse.
not I,
Said the duck.
not I,
Said the pig.
then I will do it.
Said the little red hen. And away she went. When she brought the wheat home, she asked,
Who will make a cake from this fine flour? Not I,
said the pig.
not I,
Said the duck.
Not I,
said the mouse.
then I will do it.
Said the little red hen. And so she did. When the cake had baked, the little red hen asked,
Who will eat this cake? I will,
cried the mouse.
I will,
Cried the duck.
I will.
Cried the pig. But the little red hen said,
No, no, no. I did all the work by myself. I shall eat the cake all by myself.